So the week's coming to an end and you must be exhausted. But you know what? You're in luck because Usha's going to show us yoga for relaxation today.
Yeah, you know, Aditi, I think relaxation has become a forgotten art. People used to work 9 to 5, 8 hours a day.
Yeah.
Nowadays they work anything from 10 hours to 12 hours and it's just non-stop. I mean, it's a race for something. I don't know what lies at the end of that. And nobody stops to think, how is my body taking it? Am I, relaxing during the day or not?
Yeah.
And we end up straining and stressing ourselves so much that the only time we listen to our bodies is when we are about to get into hospital.
So somehow it never works if you don't take out time to relax. You just don't succeed.
Yeah.
You go on maybe what you could call a burnout or something like that.
Yeah, quite right.
Yeah.
So relaxation should be part and parcel of your life. You can relax at any given time.
Yeah.
Just by focusing on your breath at any time, you can take away stress. Like, you've got to submit a report or you've got to deliver a project and it's delayed for some reasons which are not yours. You can literally see the stress start to happen on your body. You start making your muscles tight, stiff, your neck and shoulder become stiff. Your breath becomes very fast and quick.
Yeah.
And you're unable to relax. So the best thing to do is to start at that time focusing on your breath. And of course there is, as usual, lovely postures to relax in. But
you combine them with breath.
Yeah. So just focusing on your breath detaches you from the noise of your mind.
Right.
And makes you relax. So that is something anyone can do at any time. Just sit down for a few minutes and focus on your breath. And completely your system will just relax. So let's start with a few postures for relaxing. They naturally look so relaxing that even if you just watch them, you feel relaxed. So let's start with Shashankasana or Sharnagat Mudra, as I call it. Keep sitting in Vajrasana. Take a nice deep breath and inhale. Nice deep breath. And exhale, bend forward from your lower back. Take your head down and relax. That's a very nice posture. In fact, in certain religions, they do this posture many times a day. It's very relaxing and very intelligent way to unwind. Now slowly inhale and come up. Now let's do another posture. It's called Matsya Krida Asana. So you have to lie down on your stomach. Bend one knee. And keep your hands like this. It's literally the posture in which you can sleep. A lot of children, when they are small, sleep in this posture. And this posture is very relaxing for your spine and your back. And you can slowly come back, Aditi.
You never really want to get up from those when you start.
That's true.
Yeah.
Now let's do another posture which is very, very common. Everyone has heard about it. But to do it correctly and at the right moment is very important.
Okay.
It's called Shavasana. It means actually a corpse pose, which means lie as still as a corpse. So you just have to lie down on your back, flat. Keep your palms facing upwards and just relax. Now there are very key points at which your body touches the ground when you're lying in this posture, and the energies between the earth and you are exchanged and you become extremely relaxed. Now in this posture a lot of meditations are done, guided meditations, and lots of varying things can be done when you're lying down in Shavasana. But the easiest and simplest thing, of course, is to just focus on your breath. In fact, just before you go to sleep, you're always lying down, right?
Yeah.
So when you're lying down, it's nice to just walk through your whole body with your mind. Just walk through and keep seeing where your stiffness is. Keep relaxing the whole body and then go to sleep. You'll have a much easier and lighter and better sleep.
And I've noticed, whether it was Shashankasana or Shavasana like right now, that you tend to relax the back
Yeah.
The lower back especially, when you lie down like that, or when you stretch it this way, then you're relaxing this part. So maybe
Quite
that's what brings the
Actually,
feeling of
it
relaxation.
boils down to something I keep repeating all the time. The nervous system which is housed in your spine, around your spine. So whenever you place all the nerves in a straight line and the contact between the surface on which you're lying down and your nerves, it relaxes the entire nervous system. So it's very important to do that properly to get a good night's sleep. All right, now let's do the last posture for today. It's called Makarasana. So lie on your stomach. Take your hands and place the palms under your chin and relax. In fact, very often when you have a leisurely day, then this is what you're doing. It's very relaxing for your whole spine.
So don't forget to take that time out to relax, because now you know how.